my piggy bank looks. Do you want to see how to make it? Then watch the video. First we will take an empty box with a lid made up of plastic or cardboard. Now we will paint the box as your choice. You can paint here. I am painting it blue. Now my painting is ready and we will put a glitter on this 4 sides. Now I have this frozen print Elsa and we will cut it like this as the background will not come, and we will stick it here. Now I have stuck Elsa from all sides, and also I have added some glitter to make it more attractive. Now my mother has put a cut so the money can go. This is how our piggy bank looks. Do you like it? Then like, share this video and subscribe the channel for more new and interesting videos. Bye.